the 28th today, and I am in Victoria Falls for my birthday. Solo traveler here, solo traveler here, solo traveler here. I'm just hoping when I get my bag here. I've got a small bag, and I am hoping the people who are supposed to pick me up are here. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, since I'm here early, but fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. I can't see anyone really from the hotel, but we wait, we see. That's my big day. That's my towel. Oh, there I am. There I am. Ah, yes. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, how are
I'm
you?
good, I'm good.
Welcome to Big Falls.
Thank you, thank you.
Welcome to Victoria Falls. Hello,
Not really. Let's go. Hi guys. Sorry, I'm just eating some biltong, beef jerky, if you might say. I'm at Mbano Lodge. No, not Lodge. Mbano Mana Hotels. So, I'm gonna give you a tour of my room quickly. So, I am in suite 1. Excuse me, chewing. The biltong is very hard. This is the nice sitting area outside here. And then, look at these doors, guys. This is Zimbabwe. There's no way that they don't show you. Enter the room. I think my guide will be here anytime soon, guys. So it will not be very quick. There's a mini bar there. There's tea and coffee. A little library. Love couch. Nice sitting area. Desk. Bed. Mosquito nets. So this is my birthday present to myself. I'm charging my phone over there. Now, grand reveal. Da 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 dum. A freestanding bathtub. His and hers. Let me clean you guys. Sorry. That's better. His and hers. There's a shower in there. Cold. There's my stand. As you can see, I've been taking pictures. There's a toilet in there. The bathtub. I'm definitely going to use this in the morning or tonight. And then there's a walk-in closet with some cute robes. I think one was written, here. It's written Mbano. That's nice. Drip check, drip check, drip check. I'm wearing my Versace shoes. Shorts are from Shein. T-shirt is from Polo, Ralph Lauren. My glasses, Burberry. My bag, Coach. And my watch, Michael Kors. And I've got my bracelets from Pandora. I lost my ring yesterday on Thursday when I got here. And then we go outside. Let's move this. And what do you think of this background, guys? That's a quick tour of my room. So right now I am about to go on a guided tour of the falls. It's hot in Victoria Falls, guys. Thank God I brought my summer clothes because it is scorching. Can you see me? Oh, hello guys. Hello. Look at my glow, guys. I am glowing. Look at this bed. I haven't even lied on it yet. Let's jump on it, guys. Ooh. Oh. Yes, I am alone, like I said, solo traveler here. My sister and my best friend stayed with Tips. I am very, very lucky. Yes, I am very, very lucky. She stayed with Tips for the weekend. I'm here until tomorrow afternoon. I leave in the afternoon tomorrow. I've got some activities to do tomorrow. I've got quite a few activities booked today. Hopefully I'll be able to do all of them. And yeah, let's go see the falls, guys. I am so exhausted. Jet lag is nisaring me, guys. I'm so jet lagged, but it's my birthday. It's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. There's no infant here. This camera is saying there's an infant, but there's no infant. It's just 35-year-old me. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh my God, that's better. There's a swimming pool here. I don't think I'm gonna utilize it. There's a pool. Hello, how are we? Yes. Hi.
Hi, Memory, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Simon, my name.
Nice to meet you, Simon.
Nice to meet you too. Honored landmark. Victoria Falls is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world that we have, and it's actually recorded to be the longest curtain of falling waters in the world that we have. The total length from point number 1 touching where the first creek in Zambia is basically 1,708 meters, so that's about 1.7 kilometer long. So the Victoria Falls is basically composed of 5 basic falls that we have. When you have our first falls is the Devil's Cataract.
Okay.
Devil's Cataract is basically like 35 meters wide and 73 meters going down. And at the same Point number one, we do have the statue of David Livingstone, those early explorers.
Right.
Yeah, we no longer want to say he discovered, but he also found this
Okay.
place because there were original people already in this area.
Yes, of course.
Yes, this is why it was called Mosi Utunya before Victoria Falls. Main falls, these are more like the iconic falls you don't want to miss. Is this humongous falls and it is this view very close to you.
Right.
That's gonna be fun for you. You don't want to miss this one.
Okay.
Point number 9, 10, let's prepare to get some mist. It's a hot day.
Yeah.
So that's where we get more like the rainy time.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good time. Great views for pictures again inside there. Then we have got point number 11. I'm pretty sure you've heard of the Devil's Pool before.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
Devil's Pool is basically opposite point number 11.
Okay.
Point number 12 is the island.
Ah.
Yes. Point number 13 is the Angel's Pool. So which means to say, in the high season like now, the water is getting high. This Devil's Pool is closed because of the whole tide levels. The current is too high, not good for swimming.
Ah. Right.
Yes. So that means we use the Angel's
Pool.
in season right
Yes, I think I read about that.
now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then at much time you also do the helicopter flying.
I'm
This-
doing that tomorrow.
Great, thank
Yeah.
you. That's gonna be a perfect view for you.
Yeah.
Really see all this shit falling down.
Right.
Water.
Yeah.
And this is an appreciation of the falls across the globe that we have. This is Niagara Falls between New York and Canada. The
yeah.
Niagara Falls Iguazu between Argentina and Brazil. And we also do have Victoria Falls, which means to say Zimbabwe and Zambia. It borders about 4 countries, and in the 5 super rivers that we have, which is Congo, Nile, Niger, in Nigeria, and Zambezi. These guys have been benefiting from this one, from this Zambezi River. And Zambezi River is actually the biggest mouth in Mozambique.
Wow.
Over there. So this river is basically divided into 3 sections. Any questions?
No.
Yeah, then the adventure begins.
Yay! Angola, Botswana, Namibia, Zambia.
And these are a collection of scalps of different animals, like the
What's this
hippo.
for?
Okay, this one is an elephant.
What?
It's huge, huh?
That's
This
massive.
is where the brains are located. And this is part of the trunk that goes
Wow.
over there. Then over there, the first one is the hippo. The second one is the black rhino. Third one is the white rhino. The fourth look like a dog, it's a black jackal. This one.
All
Then
right.
further behind it's an impala. Next to impala is a bushbuck. Over here it's a zebra.
Oh, wow.
And then over there it's a waterbuck. Of course the leopard tortoise. And far behind there, next to the waterbuck, it's a monkey, followed by a baboon over here. And of course another leopard, and then a lion over here. This one is a lion.
Wow.
And that's a buffalo, and that's your waterfall.
This is massive.
Right, it is.
Yes, and by one step, we stop, and then
Another
we go.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my God.
I think it'd be more fun if you go.
All the way down? Oh, why not?
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, why not? Why not? God. Can I have a picture here?
Okay.
You can hold on to my phone.
Okay.
I really don't mind.
Let me just.
I can cover. Look how it's coming up. You can barely see. You can barely see the folds.
White kitchen food.
Yeah. Over there. And it's raining. It's raining. David Livingstone. Wow.
Okay, so that's where David Livingstone statue, the early explorer. So his main mission to come to Africa was to spread the gospel and civilization. So as you can see, he was holding a Bible over there.
Right.
Right, yeah. Born in 1813 and he died in 1873. he died of dysentery, so some kind of a waterborne disease.
Yeah.
And then when he came to Africa, he trained Sushi and Chuma, who were residing in Zambia.
Okay.
So when he trained them, the reason of training them was for them to interpret English to the local people.
Okay.
Yes. So he was found dead in a praying posture with his wise men Sushi and Chuma. So they gutted the heart and the intestines. They wrapped those in a canvas tent, and they treated his body with salt and spirit to preserve it.
Yeah.
And they ferried that body via the Zambezi River to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. From Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, back to Scotland, Glasgow, where he was actually born.
Wow.
Yeah, so he actually had a degree in medicine, but he certainly had this passion for ministry to come to
Right.
to Africa.
So I discovered the first, all the blacks were blind or what? How come they didn't discover it before him?
So right, those two tablets talk about how
Right.
the Rhodesia before Zimbabwe. So you realize that Zimbabwe, Zambia, and Malawi, we were one country before. When
Right.
the capital city was still Salisbury, I'm sure you recall.
Yes. Yes.
So even today, between these three countries, like Zambia, Zimbabwe, we speak common language called
Yeah.
Select. And you could go to Zambia if like maybe you need like a medical help or something with a document, not necessarily a passport.
Right.
Which means to say we understand we've got good relations with these guys. And there's a daily trade that happens between Zimbabwe and Zambia. We go to Zambia to buy most of our groceries and also medical, facilities. And they come to Zimbabwe to sell much of their farm produce and other businesses they do here. Yeah. Right. So let's check on that part. I just want to show you how Zimbabwe is class 5 of water rafting.
Water rafting.
Yeah.
5 classes.
5 classes. Like the
Okay.
highest rapid in the world.
Yeah.
Of course, they don't do the rafting here,
Yeah.
but it's just like to have the look of the floor.
Yeah. Yeah. No, you won't. Never. No, there's nowhere to hold on to. So this is the devil's cataract. Like this is and the smoke over there. Look at the mist. It's even misting here. Oh my God. Yeah. We went over there. It is a very happy birthday indeed. Huh?
You have to blow some things.
I know. I This is how close I can get from this point. This is one way. Then there's one. That's the devil's cataract. power, breath-taking beauty, life-elevating majesty. As this thundering cascade descends from the heights, rainbow visions delight our eyes and uplift our spirit. Victoria Falls is dedicated on this day, January 2nd, 1996, as a Sri Chimon Peace Place. It thus joins a family of over 800 significant landmarks around the globe that have been dedicated to peace. The Peace Blossoms family takes its name from Sri Simon, an international ambassador of peace who has dedicated his life to fostering peace within the aspiring heart of humanity. May this stupendous grandeur and wonder of nature forever inundate each and every human heart with a fruitful and fulfilling sea of oneness peace. Do not stop dreaming. Oh, I love that. One day your world peace dream will inundate the entire world. Oh, I love that part.
This is station now in memory. He's recorded one of the first Indian men to visit Victoria Falls. His main mission in life was to visit every peaceful place in the world.
Wow.
And he had a lot of orphanages that he supported. Youngsters, widows, old ages.
Oh my God. And there's a rainbow. I am mind blown. My goodness. You can't focus on one point. You get dizzy. This is the boiling pot. Abseiling.
The beach view, boiling point, 988, upside.
I love abseiling.